Russia and the Russian economy have been hit by the coronavirus epidemic, as have the other countries of the world. Services and household consumption have suffered as mobility of people have been curtailed. However, it seems that at least so far, the Russian economy has weathered this epidemic better than many of its peers. Therefore, we are now forecasting that Russian GDP will contract by 4% this year, whereas many other European countries will see much larger contractions. Furthermore, we are clearly now seeing that recovery is on its way, and GDP growth will be positive in 2021 and 22. However, growth will be relatively slow, and the level of GDP will reach its 2019 level only during 2022. Obviously, there are many risks to this fairly benign scenario. Price of oil is a risk, both upside and downside risk. We don't know yet where the price of oil will go. Furthermore, coronavirus and the epidemic itself is a risk. If we see a significant rise in coronavirus epidemic, again in Russia and other countries, if there are further lockdowns, then domestic demand will suffer and GDP growth will be lower. On the other hand, if there are successful vaccines in the coming quarters, it might very well be that in 2021 GDP growth will be much higher than we are now forecasting, as people are ready and willing to consume